This is what, number 4?
Who counting? I'm sick of her.
This is my daughter. This is my daughter.
Boutique, baby.
Bam. Come on back. Like, okay. What's...
Cheers. This is just one bundle.
Hey y'all, so I know I said I probably wasn't going anywhere, but Nas trainer actually canceled practice today, so I'm gonna go to Catalyst with my cousin. Catalyst is something that they do at my church to worship. It's basically like church times 10. So like we just mostly worship, and the pastor says a sermon and we do communion. So that's what I'm about to do. I just threw on a dress really quick, nothing too crazy. And yeah y'all, so I will see y'all when I get there. Hey y'all, so I am here walking in. It started at 7 and 6:56, so we on time. Me and Papa. Don't look so sad. Let's go over here. I don't want to walk in the grass. Good morning. I said good morning. Thank you.
How's your service?
Thank you. I'm gonna run to the bathroom. And yeah. Good morning, you guys. I'm on my way to get my nails done, my feet done. I'm gonna take Nas to the zoo like I was telling y'all yesterday, to take him to Tiger World with his friend. And then I'm on my way to, and then I'm gonna go ahead and head to New York. So, a busy day today. I think I'm actually about to run to Starbucks too. I still have a little time before I get my nails done. I have like an extra 10-minute space where I can try to squeeze this in real quick. I don't need to be eating Starbucks, y'all. I'm trying to lose some weight, and I'm so addicted to this I don't want to say addicted, but I'm so hooked on this what is it, the sourdough bread. It got me in a chokehold. So every weekend I look forward to eating that, but I need to really like slow down. I do, because I'm really trying to lose some weight. So, but I just wanted to catch you guys up on that. I when people short stop. Like, what are you doing, sir? All right, y'all. Let me go ahead and get some Starbucks, head to this nail salon, and I'll catch y'all back in a sec when I settle down.
Yo, here's a stir stick as
Okay.
well, so that way you can get it.
Thank you.
Have a good one. Oh, wait,
I'm like, yeah.
Okay. It should be coming out.
Okay, no problem.
All right, here you go.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
All right. All right, y'all, one step down, another step to go. I got my nails done. I did like a cherry cola. I actually was supposed to do like a chocolate color with the chrome, but I'm gonna do that next time because we was talking about reds and I was like, oh, I want to try that. So anyway, so yeah, this is the cherry cola and it looks so good, y'all. It looks so good. It looks so neat. I love the Russian. This is a Russian mani, by the way, and I'm gonna definitely continue to do this. The last time I did a Russian mani was when I went to Africa, and a lot of people don't do Russian manicures out here because I don't know why. I don't know. I don't know why they don't do it, but it's I love the Russian manicures because it makes your nail look so neat. It's expensive. It's pricey. It's $100, but I don't mind because it literally lasts for like 4 weeks. So every month is $100 for my nails. I'm about to get my feet done from another spot because she was booked, so I couldn't get my feet done from there. So like, I'm gonna just go to my other nail salon that I go to do my feet. So yeah, y'all, just wanted to catch y'all up. See ya in a sec. Thank you. Hey y'all, so we came to get some lunch.
They don't want to hear that.
The Tiger World was...
They don't want to hear that.
Why do we... Oh, the Tiger World, we was trying to go to take pictures with the tigers and feed the tigers, but by the time we got there, it was... the time for us to do that was over. You have to be there before like 12 o'clock. So we came too late. So we're going to go back probably like in the next 2 weeks and give it another try. So we just came to get some lunch and then we're gonna head home and then I'm gonna be on my way to New York. He's He's a brat, y'all.
He's a rat.
See what I did with?
That's my daughter. That's my daughter.
Stop, Steve. Stop.
They would have fired me if I was a waiter.
Why?
Like, I don't know how to do this. She never even had a cake before.
All she had was bacon and some bananas.
You plant-based fries, you said?
Huh?
You said the fries was plant-based?
No.
Oh, that's good.
Why?
Good.
The food is good?
Let me see my food.
Fries is good.
Can I see my food?
How do you know what's his?
Cause
You got all the same?
no.
Ooh,
I got him.
man.
I got him chicken tenders. We didn't get no fries. Here, Papa. Put the phone down and eat your food. Put the phone down and eat your food.
Man, that chicken look good too. I still got that.
What?
Chicken tenders.
These fries.
All I got thank you for the food. Yeah, this sandwich is fire. Good, look at it. The chicken look fresh.
You want to taste it, Papa? I should have got fries for us too.
Yeah.
I didn't know. Is it too late?
I mean,
Or by the time
yeah,
it's-
we gonna eat our sandwich already. I'm not gonna wait on it.
I thought it came with it. Ask them if it's too late. How long it's gonna take? Cause I want to eat it with fries.
Thank you.
Ask them real quick, then. Cause they might have it already ready.
These fries too good.
Try the chicken tenders and dip it in the honey mustard. Remember I was telling you to try the honey mustard the other day?
Yeah.
Try it and see how it tastes.
like that.
But try it. You have to learn how to try new things.
It's mustard.
It don't matter. It probably tastes good with a thing. Those chicken tenders are good.
Chicken tenders is fire. I told you. I can look at them.
Make it some napkins. It's real good.
Ah.
It's hot.
Try honey mustard for the first time. Let me taste it.
It tastes good with the honey mustard.
Plant-based? What's plant-based then?
That's plant-based. The chicken
I
tenders.
feel like that.
It's good, right?
Fresh.
Order for Nick.
There you go, babe.
I found that nothing in life is worthwhile unless you take risks. Nothing. Nelson Mandela said, "There is no passion to be found playing small and settling for a life that's less than the one you're capable of living." Now, I'm sure in your experiences in school and applying to college and picking your major and deciding what you want to do with life, I'm sure people have told you to make sure you have something to fall back on. Make sure you got something to fall back on, honey. But I never understood that concept, having something to fall back on. If I'm going to fall, I don't want to fall back on anything. I want to fall forward. I figure at least this way I'll see what I'm going to hit. Without consistency, you'll never finish. So do what you feel passionate about. Take chances. Don't be afraid to fail.
My hair came. Huh? What is it? Dhair-boutique, baby. This is my first time trying out her hair. I always get whose hair do I get? Glam. Let me see. Glam Affair. Yeah, Glam Affair. I always get Glam Affair's hair. I love her hair too, but this is my first time trying the hair, Dhair-boutique. So I'm gonna dye these bundles, and they, oh, it's already black. They are literally already black. I didn't have to. I mean, yeah, they're already black. I'm gonna still dye it though, but it's literally already black. So that makes it easier on my part, but I'm gonna still dye it. But anyway, y'all, so can't wait to put these in. Let me go upstairs, pack my stuff, and get ready to catch my flight. So I will see you guys in a sec. In a sec.
My thirst for success just comes from being born in New York and just wanting to do all the things I dreamed about.
My goal was to be the best, to change the game.
Okay, y'all, I just landed, so I'm gonna try to find my cousin's terminal because we're all catching a ride with my dad. My dad is picking us up and my uncle, so I'm gonna see if I can find him real quick. If not, then I'm gonna just go ahead and go outside and have her meet me outside. See y'all in a few.
I know.
Long time.
I love you more. That's my dad, y'all.
Hey,
Hey,
what up? Hey, little this thing.
She's like, don't do me.
Yeah, hold on for a second.
Don't do me. Hey, Raya.
What is that?
Miss you, baby.
Are you filming?
Miss you.
Give me a hug, Raya. Your hair look cute. Mwah.
And look who else is here.
Hey, Auntie. Good. Hi, Princess. Oh! Okay, I don't even have my glasses on. Hey, Auntie. Hey, what's up? Yes. Hey, beautiful. When y'all got out here? When y'all got out here? 9.
They had Ice Cube and everybody.
Say hi to the camera.
You know what I mean? Like, they had the momentum.
Hey. I can't see.
LA Dodgers.
Yeah, anyway, that's Magic Johnson.
That's good. That's nice y'all came down. What made y'all come down?
My mom called Auntie early and she was like, we gotta come up here.
But that ain't happening yet.
The world wouldn't want it to happen. At least that was.
Man, this is all politics anyway.
These hot sauce is good, guys.
This is all politics anyway. 2-1, they'll come back here and probably let Yankees.
Where's it from? You want to taste it?
No.
You want to taste it, guys?
No, thank you.
It's all political.
Fish patty thing.
I mean, it is professional.
What restaurant you went to? I'm saying.
It lets you win. That's just what it is.
You ain't gonna do across the street from where you took me to.
I remember that's my.
You went to Freddy's.
That's my man.
That's why it tastes like that.
I ain't got a sign. That's my man.
You can flip it, Tyler.
That's my personal friend.
That's what you can see
Them
better.
and I block after dinner, but I'm just saying.
That's
The Yankees organization, it's their turn.
What is you
Everybody got to get their turn.
Everybody
You
came
got,
today.
30-something% of them,
Tuesday.
and only like 6%
What
of
time you leave?
them
We're
are
gonna leave
Lakers.
early, probably.
Playing time. She gonna take half the fucking shot. Shit, look at this shit, Ty. Let me finish it. Yeah, finish that so I can replenish that.
105th?
You take one?
No,
you in the camera.
What up, Snapchat?
It's a video now.
Video.
My burner is over.
Hey, I try. So just taking a snapshot.
I remember Saji used to say, before she was to brought it upstairs. I thought you did. That boo. Saji used to say he used to go to Berkshire.
Jersey.
That's the necklace.
Saji trying to come over here. She tried to do her own little content.
I'm trying to get you in it.
Girl playing that good. That's what's the name of good? Damn, Grandma. Oh, that's Shea Butters.
You can put down the damn.
Dang, I wasn't expecting them.
Yeah, I got 3 of them. They're
And
heavy.
this is butter
Shea Butter. Comes straight from Africa.
from Africa.
Raw.
Who brought that?
I brought it back because, you know, I have a lot of space in my book bag. I mean, my bag. I know that would
Why
be
you got 3
expensive
though?
here. Well, I was gonna make some favors.
Hey, what you talking about?
She going to the back with that.
She going right into the window.
They going to the back with that.
You up to?
That was like a real thing.
Yeah, Dirk,
Ma'am.
you good though.
Come on back.
Let's cut that shit over.
Yeah.
Where'd you get this from?
Expensive. I don't be making
It used to be cheap as hell.
It's good, right?
No, that's nothing.
I know.
That was her complaint. The complaint.
Which
That's-
one?
$20
That
for
got
like
nothing to
5,
do
6.
with
That's
I'm like,
That was him.
oh, yeah, fried.
Everybody's.
Yeah, because I was gonna say fried chicken with oxtail
You know what I'm
gravy,
saying?
but I'm like,
That's a
no.
domestic situation.
Cousins, give me another one.
Yeah.
Number 3.
And
Number 3.
another one. It's not disrespectful. That's a little baby. What she baby?
Like
Gotta tuck her in tonight.
Who was that? Come on.
Yeah.
Come on.
A Zuma boomerang.
A Zoomerang.
Cheers.
I don't know if they come out of the woodworks and make sure that
Yeah.
good. Nick don't know.
This is what, number 4?
Who counted?
It's me, okay? Because I don't do this.
I'm sick of her.
Where's the other dog?
Her son, her daughter.
Yeah. Like, okay.
What's the name?
I'm about to make sugar. I mean,
What's the name?
cocoa.
Spice. That
Oh,
goes.
Spice.
Yeah.
Would I pack up my bags and leave this world behind? Or save it all for you? If heaven was a mile away, would I fill the tank up with gas and be out the front door in a flash? Before reconsidering this hell with you, it ain't you, it's the things you do. It's tearing my heart in two. I would have failed with you. To hell with
If heaven was a mile away and you could ride by the gates, would you try to run inside when it opens? Would you try to die today? Would you pray loud, finally believe in his power? Even if you couldn't see, but you could feel, would you still doubt? How would you start acting? Would you try to put the keys down? Thinking every drug sale that you make in the streets you can see now. Would it feed either one?
Morning.
This is number 1. Good morning, dear. That's cute.
She's always cute.
All right, baby girl. Mwah.
Always. How beautiful.
I don't know what your first one.
I'm about to check it right now.
Check what?
The time.
Well, I would think if you tell them that you came from out of town, that's usually what the hospitals are doing. If you
Yeah,
really
we went to go see Freddie that time. We was like, we out of town. And by the time they called us to get.
Hi, what
Hi, what time is the visiting hours? All right, thanks.
By the time you get there.
All right, it's working out good.
All right, I'll see y'all soon.
All right.
We are going to the supermarket to pick up a few things for breakfast. My dad is gonna cook.
Bag. Alright, let me tell it to whatever. Should I get a dozen and a half of eggs? Yeah. Bring the other half inside the house. Yo, my man. Somebody back here?
Yes, sir.
Alright, you?
Yes, sir.
Alright. 2 sit-up middle pieces right here. Let me see these. Thank you, sir. Alright.
All right, y'all. We are on the way to get a breakfast sandwich. In Charlotte, they don't have these bodegas to get like a bacon, egg, and cheese. Well, I don't eat pork, but I meant turkey bacon, egg and cheese sandwich. Say hi, mamas. Say hi. Thanks, Auntie.
Okay.
I'm gonna get a bacon. A beef bacon, egg and cheese on a croissant.
And then can I do 3 beef bacon, egg and cheese on a roll?
I don't want
3?
I don't want eggs.
Yeah, 1 for me, 1 for Soraya, and 1 for Amy.
What is this? Eat your whole thing?
Yeah, but I'm gonna
She
be
gonna
hungry.
eat 2 of them.
So.
She's trying to act like Harris. Like, yeah,
Oh,
I can't see
you
her
don't
eating no
want
whole.
No. What was no eggs?
Like,
Okay,
yeah, I can't see her eating no whole.
Can I get 1 of those with no egg on it?
They don't ever want that for herself.
She just wants bacon and
She
what do you
want
want?
that
Bacon and cheese on a roll.
Yes.
Thank you.
2 bacon eggs.
I can eat 2. No. Say don't blame that on me. Say don't blame that on me, Mom. You see your mother all the time. Cut it out. 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 What you do with your face? What you do? What you do? Not one. After this, what you doing? That is put out. She ate it. Okay, Mom.
Yo, what up?
Vlog. My vlog.
Oh, my daughter. Yeah.
I knew
That's
it
my
was a
auntie.
camera. Look,
My
hi.
cousin.
Your mom ain't going nowhere.
My cousin. My niece.
No, he already okay.
Oh, baby, your hair look. Who did your hair? Me? Girl, your hair look. Your hair looking like a ball. I said your hair looking like the ball. Yeah. Who did it? Me. The stylist. Turn around, let me see. Girl, give me that.
All right, y'all. I'm about to vote. I'm not registered in Charlotte. I'm registered in New York. So since we can vote early, I'm gonna get this out the way.
Thanks, man.
You're welcome. This was so convenient.
I know.
I'm glad I could get this done.
Hello. Hey.
Rose egg on the
How you doing?
Good to see you. Come here. Because I told him you was in the bathroom. You had to go park your car. So you're coming out there. Yeah. Come over here.
That's it. Thank you. That was easy.
I know. You did good.
So to the cabbage, you want it to take the day. So you want a big cabbage. You want a big cabbage.
Yeah, I just need to make.
I love that.
Because they gave me the real pepper.
I was looking for it this morning. I couldn't.
Yeah, I want some of that.
Yes, baby.
Well, I'm not really my husband. I said, oh, okay, whatever. Yeah, I know, son, because you got the door open.
More life.
Pay the money, man. Pay the money, man.
Bottles and everything.
No, I said,
Yeah, this was, yo, people used to go home looking for it, like, yo, the battle coming on tonight.
I just knew about verses. That's it.
It started with this.
I think this was the beginning.
Yeah, this was
Party out of everything.
I know.
The pandemic, like, we still making parties at home.
Pink Moscato, I don't know how to ask him.
She
said, I'm feeling woozy. You can't think.
Well, who's that? No, she did. Who was the guy named her and another guy? Right.
They got
this year, and we're gonna come up with a destination for next year. So this way, when we left there, we was all supposed to know this one.
I could have sworn this just came out. How was it on episode 6 already?
Man, I've been watching this since yesterday, girl. That all cry?
The only favors.
No.
Oh my God.
Her body's
When you start, you gonna watch it till you gonna finish it.
Sure.
You ain't gonna wanna what you call it?
11.
I wanted to finish really big on this. It's like a female version of a All Queen's Neck.
Oh, it is?
It's like a woman's. I love it.
I'm not dressed for that. Ma, you're not in it. It's just me. Are you sure? You're not in it. You can see you can just see your hands. Oh shit.
Sorry.
You look like Monique, don't you?
Yeah, that's what I thought that was for a second.
Shit.
They should have put Monique in
Kill
here.
that bitch if it's the last thing I do. I swear to God.
But they don't talk.
I know, that's the thing.
right? Because you're fucking up your life.
So much Tyler Perry.
I know. Making money.
You know where her mama was, and you gonna win.
Stupid.
Okay. Bitch, even shut up.
Ouch, Mom.
Because
Sorry.
my blood sugar low, bitch.
You got a 2-day trial before I take back my time and make you pay. 30-day trial before I make my mind that it's always trials and tribulations. Child. Kissing in Paris, I guess we could do it in French. Wow. Eating low maintenance, child for now, child. She got me wildin' now. Rory Italian, child for now, child. Yeah, she making that shake, breaking that back till her back break. Wow. Yeah. Crazy how you managed to make me into a sponsor. You got me paying for shit. You got a 2-day trial before I take back my time and make you pay. 30-day trial before I make my mind that it's always trials and tribulations. Child. She don't want how much, she want Amex, I make crime. Face card valid, whenever present.